Hello again. As I promised, I'm going to make today from the JCC cookbook a pasta dish. There were several dishes and I couldn't decide which one to do. So today I'm going to do one and tomorrow I'm going to make another one. So I decided to start with the linguini. There are two great recipes on the same page. And on the other side are helpful hints and tips which are really great. There are many things that even I didn't know about how to cook more effectively. So this is a great resource. If you want to get it, there is a link in our website. And for today, we are going to make the linguini with lemon sauce. For this recipe, you need 8 ounces of linguini cooked according to the package directions, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of lemon, 1 garlic clove, and half a cup of whipping cream. So I will begin this recipe by sauteing the garlic in the olive oil. The recipe itself is really easy. You brown the garlic in the skillet for about 1 minute. Then you add the whipping cream and then you add the lemon. You mix it well until it's warm and then you add the pasta. You mix it until it's all well covered. You season it with salt and pepper to taste, and you can cover it if you wish with Parmesan cheese. So the dish is all done. As you can see, it looks beautiful. I think that the most difficult thing about this dish is not to eat it like in 2 seconds. It smells really good, and I'm really curious because of that combination of the cream and lemon. It is really good. It is really good. You may want to try it. And again, if you want to get one of the cookbooks, please visit our website. Thank you for being with me today, and I will see you again tomorrow at 2 o'clock. Bye-bye, guys.